Senator Brandes says we could be right back here for another special session in just a few weeks. And not only are your rates not going to go down, but 1 out of 5 insurance companies in the state could soon go out of business.
The last time I made a homeowner's claim was in 1992.
In March, I introduced you to Robert Schnorf. The St. Pete retiree's property insurance premium spiked by nearly $1,800 this year. And there's no telling what his rate will be next year or the year after that.
In planning for the future, if it goes up another 53%, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Is it possible, even though based on this legislation, even if it passes, that rates will still increase going forward?
I suppose it's possible.
During the special session, State Senator Jeff Brandes questioned the sponsor of the Senate bills. The legislation aims to stabilize Florida's collapsing market. Senator Brandes tells me he doesn't think the proposals will lead to rate reductions. Not now, not in 18 months. What's more, another costly taxpayer-funded special session could be right around the corner.
Do you anticipate we could be back here soon?
I do.
Senator Brandes says 1 of 5 insurance companies may not be able to find reinsurance, the mandatory insurance for insurers. The proposed legislation does create a $2 billion reinsurance fund to help companies, but Brandes says it's not enough.
There's still a layer below that $2 billion, and that's where they can't get coverage. So it's really a technical issue, but it has massive implications for the market.
The cause of the reinsurance troubles? A provision of the proposed bills you probably love. The Senate wants to block insurance companies from automatically refusing coverage to homeowners with older roofs.
You're not happy with that provision. Why?
No, that provision in the bill, while it seems like it's consumer friendly, is ultimately going to come back and bite the market.
And the senator says that provision will lead to higher costs for insurance companies and in return, you, the homeowner. And he thinks, Keith and Stacey, that some companies may just decide to pull out of Florida altogether.
Well, I have to be honest with you, I'm confused. You hold a special session, you're supposed to be making progress. It sounds like what you're talking about is anything but progress. Still, you have a lot of people voting in for this. I mean, it goes through the Senate, it's going through the House, the governor's going to sign it. What is it that Brandes sees out there and that he thinks needs to be done to fix the system? He's like a man on an island.
Yeah, well, a lot of people say one thing could have a big difference: actual cash value standard on roofs. So right now, if your roof is damaged, the insurance company is not taking the age into account and only reimbursing you for what the roof is worth. Brandes says that change needs to happen, and if it does, the market will heal itself.
Well, I know you're going to get more on this, and maybe you can help explain it as we go along in the days ahead. There's got to be some positive side to this. We just haven't heard it yet. Maybe the devil's in the detail. Thank you. Mahsa Saeidi live in Tallahassee for us tonight.